Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our hedge fund series. So today we are going to discuss about the first hedge fund in the world. Okay, so that's the topic for today. So the first hedge fund in the world was established in 1949 by Alfred Winslow Jones. And this Alfred Winslow Jones is a sociologist. He's a financial journalist also and an investor. This fund that he started has marked the beginning of the modern hedge fund investing, and also it laid the foundational principles that are still in use today. So Alfred Winslow Jones is born in was born in 1900 Melbourne, Australia, and his education background is he's a bachelor's degree from Harvard University and a doctorate of sociology from Columbia University. Early career, he was a writer and editor at Fortune magazine. Okay, and yeah, he formed the hedge fund in the year 1949 and named it as A.W. Jones and Company. The capital raised was $100,000, including $40,000 of his own money. The structure is limited partnership, so that was innovative at that time for investment management. So he has pioneered this structure of limited partnership, and this entire hedge fund concept was first formed by him. The innovations introduced by him are by Alfred Winslow Jones. He's credited with inventing the entire hedge fund investment strategy, which is the long short equity strategy, going long on undervalued stocks and going short on overvalued stocks. And this long short equity strategy has he is a pioneer, and he is credited with inventing this particular strategy. What this does is that this reduces exposure to overall market swings, and the performance then will be based on the stock selection only. Okay, leverage. So he is not only pioneered this long short equity strategy, which is a hedge fund strategy. He also, used leverage. He borrowed money to enhance returns. One of the earliest uses of leverage he has done in asset management. And he also pioneered this incentive fee, charging a performance based fee of 20% of profits, which is now standard across all the hedge funds. And he also pioneered this team based management using a team of analysts and delegated investment decisions, which is a precursor to today's multi manager hedge funds. Performance and legacy, by the 1960s, his A.W. Jones and Company was outperforming all the mutual funds and gained widespread attention. The model he pioneered has inspired the launch of many hedge funds throughout the 60s and 70s. And institutionalization has happened. The success led to institutional investors allocating capital to hedge fund strategies. So, institutional investors started allocating capital to these strategies because he was outperforming the mutual funds. Challenges: despite being a pioneer, this A.W. Jones and Company did not scale aggressively and maintain dominance. And by the 1970s, the newer hedge funds with refined strategies and institutional backing overtook its influence. But he laid a legacy in the hedge fund industry. The entire 220 free structure was pioneered by him. Long short equity model was pioneered by him. And active risk management via hedging was also, he was the inventor of that. And multi manager delegation, that team structure also, he was the person uh, who was the pioneer or inventor of that. And all modern hedge funds owe their origin to Jones' original insight that combining long and short positions could create a hedged portfolio, maximizing returns while minimizing risk. So that's it for today, guys. So that's A.W. Jones and Company, and the first hedge fund in the world, and its entire details. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Bye.